In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the editing sidebar tool when you're trying to add content to a page in Canvas. So first of all, you need to access a page in Canvas. So to do that, you can either go to your course modules if you've already created the page or are going to create your page. So in this case, I could go into my Kona's example page by just clicking on it. So this is from course modules. You can also access it by going to pages. So over here on the left-hand navigation, you can click pages, go to view all pages, and either add a new page to get there, or you can just go to your example page. So once I'm at my example page, if I want to edit it, I can just go ahead and click the edit button. Also important to note here, in case you mess up or need to redo something, if you click this little gear icon, there is a view page history. Now right now my page isn't going to be that interesting because I just started it and I haven't done anything with it. But if you've been working on a page and you'd like to revert back to a previous version, you can view that page history and go back to previous versions. So just a little something there. But for now, we're going to go ahead and click the edit button. Now from the edit button, you've got, here's your different interface here that you can use to bold things and do all of that fun stuff. But what we really want to talk about is actually adding content. So first of all, you can add links to any content in Canvas into this page, including links from page to page, just by using this little link area over here on the far right. So as you can see, you've got links to, and these are all of the different pages. So it says wiki pages. These are all the different pages that you already have in your course, or you can actually create a new course or a new page right here by clicking that button. You can also link to assignments. So if you want to remind students that they need to do a specific assignment, you can say, remember to complete the following assignment, and then actually say that. And so then that will provide a link directly to a specific assignment. You can do the same thing for quizzes, announcements, discussions. Here's your modules if you want to refer the students to a specific module, or even within the course navigation. So if you want to remind the students to check their grades, you can actually say, and remember to check your course. And then where you would type grades, instead of typing something, all you would do is just come down and click where it says grades. And there you go, you've got your links. In addition here, you can come over to files on the right, and you can either see all of the files in your course and add those. So you can say add that one, and you can see it changes. You can also come in and change the name of it to basic, let's do that again. Basic statistics test. And it doesn't look like it, but if I saved it, it actually is linked. You can also highlight and link like that. So there we go. Sorry, now it's linked. You can also upload a new file. So this is how you could add a new file directly to the content of your page. You can also upload images. So you can choose from images that you already have in your course, or you can upload a new image. So those are just some of the different things that you can do to add content to the course, in addition to obviously your bolding and your spacing and all of that other fun stuff. I think that's about it. The only other big thing is your options. You can choose who can edit the page. You can do teachers, students, or anyone. If you do teachers and students, this kind of turns it into a wiki. So if you wanted to have a wiki to use for your students, you could actually use this page as a wiki technically. You can also, if this is a page that students have already been working on or have looked at, you can actually check that box and notify students that the content of the page has changed. So that way they know, hey, I should go check this out again. Otherwise, once you're done, make sure you click that save button. It's going to show you. So here you can see I can click on this, click on those. Those now become clickable links. I can also preview my document here. The other really big thing is make sure that you have this published if you want students to see it. So right now mine is published. The default is for it to not be published, which it would look like that. But if you want it to be published, which means if you want students to be able to see it, you have to publish it. If you don't have it published, students will not ever be able to see this. So please make sure to publish anything you want students to see. If you're not ready for students to see it, then just go ahead and either leave it unpublished or click it again to unpublish it. I hope this helps, and if not, refer to some of the additional training materials.